How to fix kdbsync.exe. Has stopped working in Windows 10? To fix kdbsync.exe. Has stopped working in Windows 10, try 1. Update your AMD graphics drivers, if any, using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 2. Remove and reinstall your AMD graphic card. 3. Disable AMD accelerated video transcoding in Windows 10 settings. 4. Delete kdbsync from hkey_local_machine /software/wow6432 node /Microsoft /Windows /current version /run in registry editor.